Installation of Patiowell 10 feet x 8 feet metal storage shed frames. Before starting, make sure you have all the parts you need. Install the BS1 above the BS1L, aligning the holes and screwing in the 2 screws at the connection. Here you can install ground spikes to stabilize the structure. The same, install BS2 above BS2L. After that, install part 1 on BS1, aligning the hole position, then install 2 above 1 and BS2L with screws. On the other side, we also install 1 and 2 on the ends of BS1L and BS2 with screws. Finally, we install the screws in the middle of the bottom of the 4 sides, and the whole frames is installed. Parts BS1L and BS1 are the front side of the shed. Make sure to double check that your steps are correct, and test the product thoroughly to ensure it is installed correctly. After completion, install 4 WS2As round the frames, fix F1 and V2, paying attention to the orientation of the long and short sides of the 4 wall panels. At last, connect the W1A with each short side of WS2A.